Okay, Assalamualaikum. Today we're going to continue with chapter number 4, which is on recruitment and selection. Okay, in my first video, I've explained on recruitment, and now this video we're going to learn about selection. So these two concepts is interrelated with one and another. First, the company would do recruitment to gather a pool of candidates that for them to do some selection to actually pick which person that are more suitable for the job itself. Okay, so recruitment, we gather application for a vacancy, and now selection, we want to select which person that is more suitable to fill up the vacancy itself in any organization. Okay, so for recruitment, we're going to focus, for selection, we're going to focus in selection process, the selection criteria, and also the techniques. Alright, so what is selection actually? Selection is a process of companies to choose individuals who are qualified to fill existing or projected job opening. Okay, so if there is a company that in that company itself there are vacancies, so now the company need to do some selection from the pool of candidate that they have gathered from their recruitment, and which one will be more suitable to fill in the vacancies. Alright, so basically we want to choose the right person to fill in the vacancies that are available right now for our company. Alright, so the main goal for companies to do recruitment is to make a accurate prediction. What kind of prediction that they want to make? They want to predict whether that the person that they have selected to be employed can actually do the job itself successfully or not. Okay, and also they want to predict whether the person uh, uh, cannot do the job, so that if their prediction is accurate, they actually can choose the person that they have predicted to be more successful and for the job itself, while they will avoid from employing the person who cannot do the job. Alright, so that is the main goal in the process itself. We want to employ the person that we have predicted that person is actually can do the job. Alright, so how to do this? There are several steps, but we're going to discuss that later. So in doing selection, it actually begins with the job analysis. So the previous chapters that we have learned, so the information that we gathered from job analysis itself, we have gathered about the position, okay, or the job in our organization. We have known that what kind of knowledge, skills, abilities, and other factors that are required to perform a particular job in an organization. Okay, so with that information, we can use the documents that the output document from job analysis, and this information that we have from job analysis, the managers can use it uh, to help them in doing the selection process. Okay, so they can know actually, for example, for lecturers, what kind of knowledge needed, and they could ask relevant question for the particular job itself in interviews. Alright, And it also can be used for testing the candidate whether they actually can do the job, and this is helping the company or the managers in doing the prediction before they hired someone. All right. So, those applicants who their knowledge, skills, ability, and other factors are well matched to the job, then the company would hire that kind of person. All right, and so next we're going to proceed with the steps in selection process. Okay, this an essential is quite important for this chapter. So sometimes these steps in selection process may vary from one organization to another. So but basically these are what kind of things that the company do before they actually selected a person to be employed. Okay, the first one, the organization need to gather information about the applicant. So gathering information could be in a numerous way. For example, a company could gather the information from the resumes that the application sent to them, the application forms, the interviews that they will conduct, tests, medical examinations, and also from the background and other kind of checks. Okay, so worry not, we're going to discuss this one by one. All right. So that's all for this video. The steps in selection process will be continued in the next video.